In today's video, we're diving into some seriously mind-blowing and strange facts about redhead girls that you probably didn't know. From their one-of-a-kind genetics to surprising health quirks, redheads are full of incredible traits that make them stand out. So buckle up, because you're about to learn some fascinating facts about these fiery-haired individuals. Fact number 1. The genetic mystery. Did you know that red hair is the rarest natural hair color in the world? Only about 2% of the world's population has natural red hair. That's right, just 2%. But what makes red hair so special? It all comes down to genetics. Red hair is a recessive trait, which means both parents must carry the gene for their child to inherit it. Even if you don't have red hair yourself, you could still carry the gene, and it could show up in future generations. But here's the weird part. Red hair comes from a gene called MC1R, which has a mutation that's unique to redheads. So, every redhead you meet is basically walking around with a special genetic code. Fact number 2. Redheads have a higher pain tolerance. This one's wild. Studies have shown that redheads actually have a higher pain tolerance than others. Research suggests that people with red hair need more anesthesia during surgeries because their bodies process pain differently. It's believed that the MC1R gene not only causes red hair, but it also affects how the body perceives and responds to pain. So, next time you're at the doctor's office, remember, a redhead might handle that needle a little better than the rest of us. Fact number 3. Redheads are more sensitive to heat and cold. While redheads have a higher pain tolerance, they also experience temperature extremes more intensely. Redheads tend to feel both heat and cold more than people with other hair colors. Why? You guessed it, the MC1R gene. It affects their ability to regulate body temperature. So you might find redhead girls bundled up in blankets on a cold day or sweating it out on a warm afternoon. Fact number 4. They need more anesthesia. We've mentioned this earlier, but it's so fascinating it deserves its own moment in the spotlight. Redheads actually require more anesthesia during surgeries or dental procedures. The MC1R gene makes redheads more resistant to certain anesthetics, meaning doctors need to give them a higher dose to ensure they're properly numbed or sedated. So, if you're a redhead and you're heading to the doctor, don't be surprised if they need to give you a bit more to knock you out. Fact number 5. The history of redheads is fascinating. Red hair has always had a fascinating place in history. In ancient Greece, it was believed that red hair signified a fiery and passionate personality. During the Middle Ages, some people thought redheads were witches, while others considered them lucky or even magical. These myths and superstitions still persist today in some parts of the world. Redhead girls have definitely had a colorful history, from being seen as mysterious to being admired for their unique traits. Fact number 6. They're more likely to have freckles. It's no secret that many redhead girls have freckles, but did you know there's a scientific reason behind it? The same gene responsible for red hair, MC1R, also contributes to the development of freckles. These little spots are more common in those with fair skin, and redhead girls are often known for their sun-kissed, freckled look. But here's the catch. Redheads are more sensitive to the sun's UV rays, so they need to take extra care to protect their skin from damage. Fact number 7. They have a unique sense of humor. Let's talk personality. Redheads are often described as having quick wit and a sharp sense of humor. There's this stereotype that redhead girls are fiery and outspoken, and many of them are also known for being the life of the party. Their playful, bold nature means they usually have a great sense of humor, which makes them even more magnetic. Fact number 8. Redheads are rare, but they're taking over pop culture. While redheads are rare in the general population, they're everywhere in pop culture. From iconic characters like Merida in Brave to celebrities like Emma Stone and Jessica Chastain, redhead girls are getting the attention they deserve. They stand out, they're unique, and they're making waves in movies, TV shows, and even the modeling industry. Redheads are definitely having their moment in the spotlight. Fact number 9. They have a natural vitamin D advantage. Did you know that redhead girls are naturally more efficient at absorbing vitamin D from the sun? This is a huge perk, because they need it more than anyone else. The MC1R gene helps them synthesize vitamin D more effectively, even in places with less sunlight. This vitamin is essential for bone health and immune function, so redheads have a bit of an edge in this department. Fact number 10. Redheads have a higher risk for certain health conditions. While redheads have a ton of unique advantages, they also face some health challenges. Redhead girls are at a higher risk for developing skin cancer due to their fair skin and sensitivity to the sun. They're also more prone to certain types of hearing loss and may experience migraine headaches more often than others. So, it's important for redheads to take extra care of their health, especially when it comes to sun protection and regular checkups. So there you have it, 10 weird and fascinating facts about redhead girls that you probably didn't know. If you're a redhead, let us know in the comments if any of these facts apply to you. And if you're not a redhead, now you've got a whole new appreciation for the fiery-haired people in your life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fun facts, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you.
Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more.